So guys, I'm going to be making some. I have my little glue here. Just opened it already off camera. So it says I have to get a bowl. I'll be
How
right
long
back.
does this take?
Okay. Won't be able to film the whole thing. Ooh. Okay.
My hand's getting swollen just from mixing it. How's yours going?
Good. Open the right thing. So I pour all of it in. Okay. Let's see my instructions. The instructions. I think I can see.
Oh god, I got sticky slime. Oh no, it's over.
No, you need this.
I know.
You need to keep pouring it in till the bottle's empty. Because it will not make it sticky anymore. So the thing says,
You want it sticky?
no, you don't want it sticky. It's going to unstick it. Pour one entire wood container into the bowl. Yes. Okay. And next it says add contact solution.
I emptied it all. Oh no, what have you created?
Okay. Let's have the
Hey, look at that took faster.
contact solution.
This thing is much more. No! This thing is stickier than ever.
No.